In this video, I will show you how to connect any type of microphone to any of the DJI cameras, either the pocket cameras or action cameras or any other DJI camera. So what's absolutely cool about DJI cameras, they work absolutely perfect with their wireless microphones without a need for dongle, so these newest microphones. But yeah, in this video I'll also show you how to connect wired microphones, both 3.5 Type-C microphones, and also microphones that actually requires a dongle, so any type of microphone, not even DJI. So again, it can work with any microphone, not only DJI microphones. So first, how to connect the wireless microphone. So first, simply let's turn on our microphone by holding the power button, and we want to place it in a pairing mode by pressing this button. Okay, so click and hold and it will blink green plus blue. That means it's in the pairing mode. So then open your camera, and so on the action you simply swipe down. On the pocket it's pretty much the same. So then we simply open our settings, go to the wireless mic and simply click on any of the slot. So we can connect two microphones at the same time. So you see it should connect automatically shortly. So you see connected. Okay. And yep, we can also connect two microphones. So let's repeat it with this one, for example, as well. So I'll turn it off first. Okay, so yeah, let's turn it on. And then place it in a pairing mode by holding this pairing button. Okay, so you see it's in pairing mode. And then we simply click on the second slot. And it should also find it. Okay, so you see both microphones are connected. And also when you are recording video, you should see their audio peak levels here as well. If you want to remove the microphones, again you can go here, click on the microphone, simply click disconnect. Okay, then also how to connect a wired microphone. So yep, these cameras also obviously support wired microphones. So first, if you have a microphone that can also output to Type-C port. So for example, yeah, this is absolutely fantastic microphone here. You simply connect to our Type-C port, and then you simply open your charging port on your camera. So the port that you use to charge your camera, Type-C port, as see, and we simply plug it in here. So again, on the pocket, it's really the same. So you simply plug it in a charging port, and you see it also instantly works. You can see the audio levels. Also, if you have internal battery in your Type-C microphone, it will also get recharged from the internal battery of the camera, so you never run out of juice essentially. Then how to connect it if you have the 3.5 output and not the Type-C. Then you need a simple adapter. So adapter like this, which converts the 3.5 to Type-C. So you see, I'll simply connect my 3.5 cable to this adapter here, insert the 3.5 in my microphone, and then connect again using the Type-C to my charger port. Okay, and as soon as you plug in, I see also works straight away. So yeah, very easy. And again, works absolutely flawless. You see, instant, and works with any microphone. Then what to do if your microphone actually requires a dongle. There are a bunch of microphones like that. So then you need such adapter, essentially a Type-C extender. Because for example, if you try to insert any of these dongles here, you will realize it's impossible because this flap, for example, gets in the way. Maybe on the pocket it's different. Not exactly sure, but yeah, if you can't insert directly, you can simply get adapter like this, where you can essentially insert our dongle. So it's simply like Type-C extender cable. So search for that. It costs maybe like $2 only, so very inexpensive. Then you connect. So you see, yeah, works. So let's place it in a pairing mode. Going to press and hold the button. So let's grab one of our microphones, and see again I'm holding the pairing button. I want to pair these two together first. So you see constant green, that means it's paired, And if I check my camera, so you see it also works, yeah, this way, using a dongle. Okay, good luck.